I got a lot of emails from you guys thanking me for my stock setups in 2021, as you made a lot of money. But I just want to thank you because you're the one that took action, did your own due diligence, researched these companies, and then invested, and you made a lot of money. And we had some amazing picks going into the fall and the winter of this year. You know which ones I'm talking about. You are welcome. We did fantastic. Well, today I'm going to show you the most important market setup that I've ever seen in my career. And I'm sending you this before the market opens tomorrow morning. Now, if my portfolio was comprised of just one company, this would be it, specifically at today's current valuation. Now, the shareholders in this company: BlackRock Asset Management, Sprott Global, the KCR Fund, which is Marin Katusa, Doug Casey, Rick Rule. If you know stocks, you know smart investors, you know these guys and you know their names. If you don't, you got to do some homework, guys. You want to make a lot of money, you need to start learning, okay? These are the most sophisticated money managers. They hold a position in the stock that I'm about to tell you about going into 2022, and they are holding for significant reasons. Because BlackRock is a giant. It's the largest asset manager in the world by a mile. What are they doing? Well, in 2022, the Federal Reserve has promised not one, not two, three interest rate hikes. Wall Street's behavior, especially with the midterm elections in the second half of this year, will be risk off. You do not want risky stuff in the second half of this year. It's going to get crazy. Gold is the ultimate risk-off asset class, in our view. Only one company has surgically met my rigorous criteria as the most compelling example of a deep and extreme value opportunity at this very moment. Now, here's how this stock I'm going to put this up on the screen because this is absolutely crazy. Here's how this stock outperforms when gold's spot price rose in the past decade. Now, take a look at your screen. December 2013 to March 2014, the stock that I'm about to tell you about up 164% when you compare it to gold spot price, up 11%. Okay, that's 10x leverage. Then January 16 to September 2016, our stock, which I'm about to tell you about, up 665% when you compare it to how gold was doing, 22%. Again, when gold goes up, this stock explodes. That's 30x leverage on that year. December 2018 to February 2020, our stock up 150%. When you compare it to gold, up 26%. That's 5x leverage. And you can see on and on and on. So at this very moment, the market prices Gold Mining Incorporated, their gold resource, for only $2.60 an ounce of gold. The anomaly of this math and its clear undervaluation is what I live for. And it takes years to notice such discounted metrics and how they form. So the company, like I just mentioned, is Gold Mining Incorporated. Here is the ticker symbol. It's right here on your screen. Now, for comparison, the industry standard is currently between $40 and $50 per ounce. So they're at $2.60 per ounce based on the market valuation. Makes no sense. So given its portfolio size, had the market even given it a price of $20 an ounce, half of the more than conservative average, the stock would appreciate by 310%. Are you following me? So GLDG trades on the New York Stock Exchange with all the big boys. And I'm convinced this is the number one idea for 2022, and I want to go through exactly why. The market is currently giving Gold Mining Incorporated's 32 million ounces of gold equivalent resources a $84 million or only $2.60 per ounce valuation. That's nearly 94% below the industry standard of at least $40 an ounce. This is the reason that legends of the gold sector are convinced that this is a massive buying opportunity. An analyst that has tracked this company for years just gave it a price target of $6.25, okay, which implies a 416% upside from today's price, which is, I think, at this publication is $1.21 per share. So $1.21 up to $6.25, the price target in 12 months. That's a 416% upside in that amount of time. Now, both Rick Rule and Doug Casey have made fortunes investing in the resources sector for decades. I've heard them praise the founder of this company that we're talking about today, Amir Adnani. They've praised him and his strategy. And the fact is, they're entering 2022 as shareholders of Amir's company, Gold Mining Incorporated. So they're putting their money where their mouth is. There are very few gold companies whose price targets issued by institutional analysts would imply a 416% upside appreciation potential. I'm telling you guys, if you find a company like that, please drop me a comment below and let me know what gold company has that type of appreciation potential as a year we are about to see with inflation running so hot. Please tell me. I would love to find it. You're not going to find it, but if you do, please, I will invest in that company. Now, today's environment reminds me of 2016, when these mining stocks surged on the backs of rate hikes. Gold Mining Incorporated rallied 700% in 2016. In 8 months, between January 15th and September 23rd of 2016, a period of just 8 months, the Fed was embarking upon a tightening period, right? At the same time, gold's price rose 30%. But, Gold Mining Incorporated, their ticker GLDG, appreciated by 700%. Do you see what I'm saying here, guys? Gold Mining Incorporated owns the most undervalued gold portfolio on planet Earth right now, in our view. And this could be proven with pure mathematics. All you need to do is look at the data. You can see that I'm not full of crap. This is pure mathematics, guys, and it can't be argued with. But what I can argue is that Amir Adnani, who's the founder of the company Gold Mining Incorporated, and by the way, its largest shareholder, has a track record that speaks for itself. We on this show have featured multiple Amir Adnani companies, and you guys have made a lot of money on it. So I am a huge believer in his management style and his strategy. And I'm not the only one. A lot of big Wall Street analysts are as well. So from March 2020, one of his companies, surged by as much as 894%. And the second soared by as much as 788%. We've talked about them here on the show. I'm not going to talk about them today. We're focused on his other company, which is Gold Mining Incorporated. It's trading for some of the cheapest valuations in its 10-year corporate history right now. And by the way, I should also point out its São Jorge project in Brazil was worth $150 million on its own in 2011 during the bull market, nearly equal to gold mining's market cap today. Yet the company now owns 15 of these projects, very similar to the São Jorge project, not just one. So think about that. At no other point in my career have I ever come across a company that has more undervalued opportunities and such strong fundamentals. And I'm walking the talk on this one. So this company, Gold Mining Incorporated, could be entering its most significant year yet. And I'm always following what they're working on because they have a website, has a lot of great updates on their website. They've got breaking news, industry data about gold, etc. So go to their website, do your own due diligence. Here is their website on the screen. It's gldgnews.com. Again, do your own due diligence on them. When you look at the numbers that I see, and you are going to be blown away by it. Drop me a comment below if you have any questions at all. We'll see you next time, everyone.